Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where the day starts off with some cloud in the northeast, and we're expecting a bit of morning fog along the northeastern escarpment. It'll be a cooler day over the western part of South Africa, with some cloud and even thunderstorms moving in over the western interior. We're also forecasting thundershowers in a band from the northwest through Gauteng and Mpumalanga and all the way through to the southeastern interior. Our Synoptic Analysis shows a weak cold front brushing along the south coast of the Western Cape, and that brings in cloud in the second part of the day, and it brings in some rainfall on Tuesday night. They say Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning in the west with runaway fires possible on Tuesday. We're expecting a band of isolated thundershowers over the western interior, and then a 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecast over parts of Mpumalanga, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, but with a 40% chance of thunderstorms over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, as well as through to Gauteng, the northwest and the Free State. Warmer temperatures are forecast into Limpopo on Tuesday, 37 degrees for Phalaborwa, just shy of 30 as we head towards Ermelo, Pretoria warming up to 34 degrees. Hot over the central and southeastern parts, 37 for Bloemfontein, with a toasty 38 as we head towards Ladysmith, 36 for Pietermaritzburg, and Grahamstown warming up to 30 degrees. Southwesterly winds will gust along the eastern Cape coastline, with a fresh northeaster for Durban and Richards Bay, both in the low 30s, with a 2-metre easterly swell and a short wave period of 7 seconds. A few degrees cooler but still hot over the southern part of South Africa, with maximum temperatures peaking in the low and middle 30s. We're forecasting a predominantly southwesterly wind for False Bay, Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and a westerly wind for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. Cooler weather pushes in from the west with a high of 29 degrees for Springbok, 38 for Prieska, Kimberley and Uppington, and are in Colesberg still heading into the mid-30s. We're expecting a predominantly southwesterly wind for Langebaan and Lambert's Bay, with a moderate westerly wind for Table Bay, and a high of 28 degrees for Cape Town. Along the west coast, we can expect a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. Cloudy weather and cooler conditions move in along the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast on Wednesday, with a slight possibility of rainfall. Thunderstorms continue over the central and northeastern parts, with that hot weather returning again to the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.